Calling all travelers, the new season has arrived. Hear why now is the time to tour.
Why did you come to Niagara Falls, I guess, is my first question. And why would you recommend it for others?
It's on my bucket list.
And it looks so beautiful, and I've never been to New York or in Niagara Falls or anywhere like that.
I was definitely most excited to get like right up to the falls, and I wasn't sure if that was actually gonna be possible. But then, we had the experience with the ship, we had the experience with the boardwalks and stuff. I didn't even think that stuff was possible. I thought it's just big waterfalls.
Right. I think most people think that they think, oh, we're gonna see this beautiful view, but you actually do experience it up close and personal. A lot more interactive than Niagara Falls.
Yeah.
Why would you recommend doing a tour of the falls versus doing it on your own?
Definitely agree with you. With all the falls, it's easier, it's more interesting, and it's worth it. It's worth it more than by ourselves. I don't think I would cover this much without you guys and or by myself. So worth it.